Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today we are going to learn state parallelogram law of vectors. It's in the physics. So today we are going to learn derive an expression for the magnitude and the direction of the resultant of vector. So today we will draw parallelogram. It should be like this. This point will be B, this will be C, this will be D, A, and this will be O, and this will be the diagonal. Now we have to find from O and A. So we will name this and we will name. So first we have to say explanation. Let two forces P and Q. P is somewhere over here, and Q is here, and R is here. So PQ act at a point O. Let Q be the angle between two forces, and let OA be P, CD CB is equal to Q. So we have written OA is equal to P, and BC is equal to Q, and last one is OC is equal to R. Then parallelogram ACB is completed. The point O and C are joined. OC is equal to R. So first we have to explain the magnitude of resultant. So we will write here with the black pen. Magnitude of resultant. OC square is equal to OD square plus CD square. This is from triangle OCD. Okay. This is from OCD. Then OC square is equal to OD. So this is OD. So we can take OD as two parts, OA and AD. So OA and AD we can write OA square plus AD square plus CD square. So we will write here OD square can also be written as OA square plus AD square. So the next step is OC square is equal to, next step we will write this in the bracket. So next step is a square, no, it's whole square, sorry. So a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So OA square plus AD square plus 2 OA and AD plus CD square. So we will write here in the next page. OA or OC, sorry, OC is equal to OA square plus AD square plus CD square. So we are taking this 2 AD square plus CD square. AD square plus CD square means this becomes a triangle AD and CD. So AD square plus CD square plus 2 OA AD. This is second one. This is for second equation. This one is first equation. Second equation. Now we have to find from triangle CAD we have to find. So to find CAD we need to use hypotenuse, opposite and adjacent. AC square is equal to AD square plus CD square. This is third equation. Now we have to use cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent is AD and hypotenuse is AC, cos theta. So if we send AC to there, it will be AC cos theta is equal to AD. So it can be written as AD is equal to AC cos theta. This is fourth equation. Now we have to find again. Now we have to again solve 3, 4 and in second. This one is right second, this one is second. So 3, 4 in second, solving 3 and 4 in second equation. So OC square is equal to OA square plus AD square plus CD square plus 2OA AD. AC square is equal to OA square plus AD square plus CD square can be written as AC square, right? So plus 2OA and AD can also be written as AC cos AC. AD can also be written as AC cos theta. So AD can also be written as AC cos theta. So OC, we have explained that OC is R square, R, and AP not OP, OA. OA is P and A square is Q. This is square, this is also square, Q square, and 2 PQ and cos theta. So if square is shifted to there, it can be R is equal to under root P plus Q plus 2PQ cos theta. This we have find the magnitude. Now we will do different direction of resultant of vector. So we are here to do the direction of resultant. The direction of resultant, we have to take tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent, where opposite is CD by OD. So we have to take triangle COD or OCD. You can take from triangle OCD. Tan alpha is equal to CD by OD. Tan alpha is equal to CD by OD can also be written as OA plus AD. Therefore, OD can also be written as OA plus AD. This is fifth equation. Now from triangle CAD means CAD, here it's there. So from CAD we have to find angle A. So we have to find the angle A. So I have to take sine theta, that is opposite by adjacent. Opposite is CD. Sine theta is equal to opposite is CD and adjacent is AC. So if we send AC there, it will be AC sine theta is equal to CD. So this is sixth equation. Okay, equation sixth. Now so from solving fourth one, is fourth one. Yeah, fourth one. From fourth from here one fourth, fifth and sixth, we will fourth and sixth equation, fourth and sixth in fifth equation. So tan alpha is equal to CD can also be written as AC sine theta by AC sine theta and OA plus AD. OA can also be written as OA can not be written. OA can it has only one form, and AD can also be written as AC cos theta. So AC cos theta. Tan alpha is equal to AC sine theta. No, AC can also be written as Q, and OA can be written as P. AC can be written as Q and cos theta. So if theta comes from here to here, then it will be tan inverse Q sine theta by P plus Q cos theta. Here is therefore direction of resultant and direction of resultant and magnitude. Magnitude is proved. Therefore, we have done the question. Direction of resultant and direction of magnitude of resultant is proved. That's all for today. Make sure to like, subscribe my channel, and make sure to comment. Thank you.